Hello girls and boys, how are you today? A kiss for you! I have here a beautiful book. It's called Say Hello to the Snowy Animals. Do you want to say hello to them? Come on, let's see. Come with me and say hello in the land of ice and snow. Wow! Do you want to come with me? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs. Who's that fishing over there? Say hello to the polar bear. Come on, everybody. Hello, polar bear. Hello, polar bear. Very good. Come with me. 1, 2, 3. 1 big polar bear and 2 little polar bears. There's a funny feather fowl. Say hello to the snowy owl. Look, the owl. Wow, it's flying. Hello, owl. Come on, everybody. Say hello, owl. Ooh, 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 says the owl. Caribou huffs and stamps through the storm. His thick brown coat will keep him warm. Say, everybody, hello, Caribou. Hello. It's like a ranger. Out to sea I spy a whale, spouting water and splashing this tail. Everybody say, hello, whale. Very good. And the whale makes splash, splash, splash with his tail. Sliding fun for a fat little seal. But think how cold your tummy would feel. Look, this seal. Everybody say, hello, seal. Well done. Look, if you look properly, here we can see little seals. 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the water. Puffing with your stripy bill, it's those fish your friends soon will. Hello, Puffin! Look! Wow, it's so beautiful with this beak. Very good. Arctic hares can jump and race. Look out, huskies love to chase. Oh, look! This beautiful Arctic hare. Come on, say hello. And they make thump, thump, thump. Home we go. Do you know why? It's time for bed, so say goodbye. Goodbye, polar bear. Goodbye, caribou. Goodbye, snowy owl. Goodbye, puffin. Goodbye, whale. Goodbye, seal. Goodbye, Arctic hare. And now we say goodbye, dog. This is a snowy dog called Husky. Bye-bye, snowy animals. Do you like it? I hope that yes. Kisses for you. Bye-bye.